higher jobs.
Dennis Jensen, is Julian right, this isn't a problem, or do you think this could actually be a problem for the coalition?
I think it absolutely could be a problem for the coalition. Look, I fully support tax cuts, business tax cuts, and Julian's right, that will increase economic activity. However, what you have here is unintended consequences, and to pretend that there is not an unintended consequence here, I think is foolhardy. The simple fact is, when you see consequences such as these, you need to address the legislation to shut those doors. And I think that that is what's required. You need, therefore, amendments to the legislation to make sure that you don't get these unintended consequences where Australian money that would normally have gone to the tax office goes offshore. Now, I fully agree that it's the issue of dividends, not the earnings, but there is an unintended consequence there that will cost the Australian taxpayer.
But Dennis, how do you close that loophole? I mean, this is a tax treaty that Australia and America have signed. How do you close that loophole?
Well, I'm not a tax lawyer, but obviously there'd be ways in which you could do it. The fact that you have the issue, for instance, where it only deals with the dividends, means that potentially you can deal with those dividends. As I said, I'm not a tax lawyer, but it seems to me that if you do not have ways in which you can creatively change your legislation to address those loopholes, then it strikes me that you're not trying hard enough.
Now, Chris